typography has been made much simpler in Bootstrap 5. For example, you can see here we have H1 to till H6 and how they look like. So let me get back to the code here. Here I can show you like how this works. So this is just basic simple heading tags. Now if you're working with paragraphs, let me just disable this one and let me enable this one now. Now if you're working with paragraphs, you can add a class called H1 to till H6 to make the text of that paragraph look like headings. So if I save this and if I get back to my browser, let's hit refresh. As you can see, these are all paragraphs. Now they have the same styles of heading. Let's see some of the other options. So I'm going to disable this one and I'm going to enable this one. Okay, so this is a fancy display heading. So if I save this one and if I get back to the browser, let's hit refresh. I can see that we have a simple heading and then we have a faded text over here. So this can be possible with the help of class text muted. So if you specify the class text muted, the specific text which you have been assigned to becomes lightish gray color. Okay, so let me disable this one. Let me check another one now. So here we have a list of other options which you can apply for headings. So we have a list of H1 tags. Now you can see the class which is specified here is display1. So how does that look like? So if I save this and get back to the browser, let's hit refresh. You can see the display1 is the largest text and the display6 is the smaller one. Now, but the display1 to till display6, the font style, the lightness of the font, the typography, everything changes. Let's get back to our code and I'm going to disable this one. Let's enable the next one. I'm going to enable this. Okay, so here we have a paragraph tag which class is set to lead. So if I save this, if I get to the browser, let's hit refresh. Now here you can see the same thing happens here. So we have a different typography, we have different text, and we have different styling.